Hi guys, welcome to this new fun video, and this video I will revamping my apron that I made I think almost a year ago or at least a few months ago that I sew by hand, but this time I will use my machine. So I'm very excited how it will turn out, and I'll do a few adjustments as well. First of all, yeah, I look a bit rough. I have just washed my hair. I'm wearing this shirt that isn't ironed, but that's because I just cleaned my whole house. Maybe I can show a little before and after picture. But I'm so happy my house is cleaner now because there just was a lot of stuff here from cleaning out other rooms in the house. So now it's a lot cleaner. But that aside, I'm gonna show you the apron that I'm gonna work on. This is the apron. This is the bottom, by the way, because you probably can't see it on screen. But yeah, I do think it's really cute. But there are some details that I don't really like here. It's a bit messy, and also I would like this frilly edge to be a bit bigger so that there are more frills. I'm still waiting. I ordered on Amazon something that looks a bit like this. I actually wish I could find more of this ribbon, but I couldn't find it. And I also repurchased a new bias tape because I actually wanted more of this type of bias tape, but I couldn't find it in the shop yesterday. So yeah, I'm still waiting for one item to arrive, and the bias tape also is green, so it won't be cream anymore when I redo my apron. And yeah, it's just, I think it's fine, but also you can see the back, and the back is really messy, so I maybe want to fix that a little bit. I think what I'll do this afternoon is first take everything apart, so also the bias tape and the ribbon, and just take every piece of fabric apart. And then I might already cut out some new fabric if I'm really feeling like it. And if I'm really feeling like it, I might also iron everything as well. Because as you can see, this isn't ironed at all. Just like my shirt, because I am lazy. And I just didn't feel like ironing it because I didn't like the result as much. Yeah, so tomorrow, two of my friends will be here and we'll do a little crafting session together, and I'll be sewing everything back together, and I really hope it turns out well. So let's go, let's start with this creative project, and maybe it can like inspire you or something. I also did like a tutorial on how I did all this, so if you're interested you can check out that as well. But now I will just redo it with my sewing machine and try to make it a lot better. And I will also include it in my self-made fashion collection, clothing collection playlist, which you can find on my YouTube channel. So I will also include this little apron into my clothing collection. I already put all my stuff that I'll probably need next to the kitchen table for tomorrow. Well, besides my iron and like my ironing board. But that's my sewing machine, and here are most of the supplies that I could find. I am doing it, you guys. I am actually ironing. Yay! Here are all the separate parts of my apron, you guys. So here is the back of the heart, and it has two sides. Here is a little canvas fabric in another heart, and I will sew this onto it with a little hole at the top so that I can use it as a pocket. Here are the two ribbon pieces for the straps at the top that will go here. And here is a bigger frilly piece, so I cut out a much longer piece for like the sides, like here, and hopefully it will be a lot more frilly-ish. And then here is the bottom part with the two straps to tie it at the back, and then the frilly piece, and everything is ironed. I'm so proud of myself, you guys. And if you want to see like a deeper tutorial, more in-depth tutorial, I would really recommend you to watch the original video, but in this video I will just make it a bit prettier with my sewing machine. And I think the next step to do now is to pin on the bias tape to, like, for example, here and here and the bottom here. So let's do that now. You guys, I forgot the little pockets, but I didn't iron these because they weren't wrinkled, but these are also part of the apron. Ta-da! As you can see, I've sewn on the bias tape to all the parts that need bias tape, but I'm still waiting for the frilly ribbon to arrive so I can add it to the frilly fabric. Okay, that's kind of complicated, but I really hope it arrives today so that I can already attach it to it, and then tomorrow I only need to sew everything together then. Let's hope everything goes well. Oh, by the way, we're renovating, so this is our roof. Please ignore our roof and like everything else in this house. This is very dangerous, you guys. Since I don't have a studio space yet, I have to cook on the same table I'm also crafting at, so that's always a bit annoying. And I'm watching Plumbella at the same time. Hi guys, in about an hour my friends will be here, but I don't know if you can see it. You probably can. I just went to the dentist because I had like an emergency thing with a tooth that was treated a few months ago, and it needed to be treated again today, and I'm very happy it's done now because it hurt a lot. But yeah, I'm now waiting for my friends to arrive. Well, first I have to go to the grocery store. Ah, this is so annoying. I started with doing all the straps on my machine since that was the easiest thing to start with. I haven't used my sewing machine for about a year. Here you can see one of my friends. They recently published their first YouTube video, by the way. And we've done a collab video in the past. I was struggling a bit with doing the bias tape and curves. The bias tape bunched up a bit and it didn't look that good. It looked a bit messy. Margot, my friend, told me that she will teach me how to avoid this bunching up next time. But I feel like overall it isn't that obvious. My ribbon arrived just in time, so I attached it to the pieces of fabric that needed it. Here my friend is filming me finishing up my top part. I had a lot of issues with my machine and she helped me with fixing it. I don't know what I would have done without her help. By the way, look at this really cute frog Margot has crocheted. What? I also want to make it now that I've seen it. Mona also was very interested in my jar with pins, which is very dangerous, and she low-key attacked me when I said she wasn't allowed to play with it. To finish everything, I sew on the last things by hand, like the buttons. Guys, here you can see the final result, and I have to say I love it so much and I see a big improvement. You can see the before and after. The top part is a lot less bulky and messy. I also like the added frills because I made the frilly fabric piece a bit longer and you can really see it. You can see I didn't finish the bottom back like I told I would, but it does look a lot cleaner. I just love the overall look so much. I'm happy I decided to redo this apron almost a year later. Well, actually a half a year later. By the way, my friend gave me some early birthday gifts, like all these little pots and also these super fun salt and pepper shakers. I love it so much. Thank you again, Margot, for the cute gifts. That's it for this video, you guys. Let me know if you think this apron improved. Like and subscribe to support me because I can really use your support. I'll see you in next week's video. Have a good day or night. Bye bye. you.